got a little bit in there. You'll have some more in now, aren't you? How's that, right? Make you feel comfy.
Hey, man. Hey.
Good boy. Yeah. There you go. Come on, let's pop you. There you go. Did you hear
What
it?
did you do then?
Got the air out of him, did you hear it? Yeah. They get an air build up, you know what we get.
See what you burped him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely heard it.
Frankie Basito told me about that. Well, years ago, when I took them gangs up to Loddy Bridge, because well, I went up to there, the food wasn't going to them. And, yes, well, it's Mrs. Mary, she said, you've got to birth them too.